Hello, today we will guide you through how to change display language in Google Ads account. If you want your Google Ads interface to appear in a different language, the good news is that this can be updated directly from your account preferences in just a few moments. This setting changes the display language of the Google Ads interface, which can make navigation easier and more comfortable if you prefer working in another language. To begin, open Google Ads and make sure you are signed in to the correct account. Once you are on the main overview page, take a moment to let the dashboard fully load so all menu options are visible. Next, move your cursor over the settings area. You do not need to click right away. Hovering here helps you locate the available options, including preferences. If your layout looks slightly different, that is normal, since Google sometimes updates the design of the platform. Just look for the settings section and the related account options. Once you see it, click on Preferences. This will take you to the area where personal and interface settings for your Google Ads account can be adjusted. The Preferences page is where you can manage how the platform appears and behaves for your user experience. On this page, find the display language setting. You should see a drop-down arrow next to it. Click that drop-down arrow to open the list of available languages. This menu allows you to choose the language you want Google Ads to use throughout the interface. Now click on your preferred display language from the list. Be careful to select the correct option, especially if several languages have similar names or regional variations. Choosing the right display language will help ensure menus, labels, and settings are shown in the format you expect. After selecting your preferred language, click Save. This is the final step that applies the change to your account. In many cases, the interface will update right away. If you do not see the change immediately, give the page a moment to refresh. You can also reload the page if needed. And that's it. Your Google Ads display language has now been updated. This is a simple but useful adjustment if you want a more familiar interface or if you are working in a multilingual environment. Just remember that this changes how the account is displayed to you, not the language used in your ads themselves. Thanks for following along, and we hope this helped you update your Google Ads account display language quickly and easily.